I know you are eager to join Crypto Empire, so let me show you the registration procedure. You will initiate registration procedure by clicking the link in the description box below. This link will lead you to the Kleopatra Telegram channel, where you will create your basic account. So, the following demonstration will show you a fast and simple registration procedure to the Kleopatra Crypto Trading Chatbot. As mentioned before, you will first click the link in the description box below to access the Kleopatra. As you know by now, Kleopatra is a crypto trading chatbot using Telegram to communicate with you. If you don't have the Telegram app installed yet, you need to install it first. When you have installed the Telegram app on your smartphone or computer and you have joined the Kleopatra Telegram channel, Kleopatra will appropriately greet you. To continue, click the Start button below the chat box. Now, you will get the message with access to the two documents, Terms and Conditions and Privacy Policy. You should read them diligently. If you agree with both, you will click I agree button below the chat box. This will lead you to the creation of your basic account. We will now create a Kleopatra account. But first I would like to get really clear about accounts. Kleopatra is using Telegram to communicate with you. That means you will have your Telegram account and you will use it to access Kleopatra. Of course, at this point you already have your Telegram account created since you are using it. Telegram has done a great job encrypting the user's data, and Kleopatra used it to her benefit. I'm telling you, she is so smart. However, you will need to protect your Telegram account and log out when needed, or activate auto logout in privacy and security settings in Telegram. Also, be aware that you can secure your Telegram account with two-factor authentication, and even with fingerprint login. That way you can be sure your Telegram account and Kleopatra are completely safe. Another account is yet to be created in just a second. This will be your Kleopatra account. Let's create it now. At this point you will be asked to enter your email. Based on this email, Kleopatra will be able to recognize you as a user, so make sure you have access to that email at all times. Let's say I would create my account with email loyal servant Charmion at kleopatracryptobot.com. As you can see, Kleopatra successfully saved the email. Now, I will create my password for Kleopatra. Let's refer to that password as Kleopatra password. Don't worry that the password is not shown in the message when you create it. That's for security reasons so that no one can go back in your chat history and check your password for Kleopatra. Make sure you will memorize it. When you'll be setting up the execution of orders or to renew your Kleopatra account for whatever reason, you will need it. So, let's create a password. Give me a second to think of a good one. I have it. Let me just type it in. With successfully saved password, I have now created my basic Kleopatra account. Once you will create your Kleopatra account, you will be able to access Kleopatra through your Telegram app, anywhere you go and anytime you desire. You will just need to log into your Telegram account and you are good to go. You can see that Kleopatra sent you an audio recording. When you register, you will be able to listen to her presentation and follow along by clicking the commands. Since I know Kleopatra very well, I won't use the audio recording at this time, but I encourage you to do so. Next, you will click the Enter Empire button below to use Kleopatra for the first time. At this point you enter Kleopatra's crypto empire for real, and she gives you a quick peek in her list of features. Let's invite our queen to read them to you this time. The word is yours, my queen.
Thank you, Charmion. My beloved crypto traders, let me extend you a royal welcome to my crypto empire. I'm so excited for you, and I can't wait to see your first winning trade as well as all the following. As a matter of fact, that's why I'm here. Here are a few features that I have in store for you. First, train on virtual exchange VEX after your first donation. Try out my capabilities in training mode with $10,000 portfolio value in different cryptocurrency assets and prepare for trading on real exchanges. Second, perform quick trades on multiple exchanges with the simple use of Telegram. Save your time by managing your daily trading routine by choosing from a user-friendly button menu and follow intuitive message flows which enable solid trading decisions. You have me in your pocket anywhere you go and anytime you desire. Third, use the power of my trading strategies. Apply 5 different preset trading strategies and activate them with a few button clicks. Fourth, utilize your custom TradingView strategies with automatic execution. Set buy and sell orders based on alerts from TradingView and execute them manually or automatically. Fifth, have a neat visual overview of your executed orders directly on the graph. See each executed buy and sell order as a flag on the graph and have better control over your trading. There are many more features to discover in my crypto empire, but now, I will leave you to my loyal servant Charmion to show you around.
Thank you, my queen. She is so powerful, don't you think? Let's continue with presentation. At the end of the message you can see the command links. To access Kleopatra's links, you can click on the command /links inside this message, type it in the chat box, or simply click the button in quick menu. Let's use the quick menu this time, as it is the most straightforward. In this message you will see all the important links to Kleopatra channels. It would be best you immediately join both Kleopatra's Telegram channels. One is Kleopatra's Telegram group named Kleopatra Crypto Bot Community. This is the main Kleopatra's community, where you are encouraged to engage, ask and answer questions, give suggestions and all in between. It is intended for constructive communication and problem solving, should any Kleopatra's user encounter them. The second one is Kleopatra's Telegram channel named Kleopatra Crypto Bot Channel. Here you will get any small or major announcements from Kleopatra's admins. Make sure you join now you don't miss any important new information. The other links in this message will lead you to the official YouTube channel and to the YouTube live stream. Don't forget to like the videos you find useful and subscribe to her YouTube channel so you'll get the notification when new content, like Kleopatra tutorials, is released. As you can see, you will be able to access the official website through this message and check Kleopatra's TradingView account as well. When you have joined Kleopatra channels, you will proceed to the next step by clicking the button Quick Tip below the chat box. Here you will see the tips on how to communicate with Kleopatra. You'll move to the next one by using the button Next Tip above the picture. First way is to use the buttons in quick menu below the chat box. As you progress through the stages toward the VIP club, your quick menu will be slightly different, so it is of most use to you. Here you will find most used commands for each stage. Let's progress to the next tip. Second most useful way is to click on the commands directly in the messages. Meaning, each command is recognizable by blue color and a slash followed by a word. Those are all clickable and I encourage you to use that option. The next options is quite obvious. You can also type in the commands as you would write and send messages to Kleopatra. We've used that option in these presentations quite often as well, and it becomes very useful when you get to know the commands while using Kleopatra. The last and the most sweet option is to use the full-blown home menu. It includes many more features of Queen Kleopatra which you will access in a blink of an eye and have more control over your trading on real exchanges, so you don't miss a trade ever again. This option is available only to the VIP users that have made it to the VIP club and now have access to the full-featured Kleopatra. Make sure you join your queen as soon as possible by clicking the link in the description box below. Now, you can see the audio file just below the quick tips. You will play it when you join Kleopatra and she will take you on a first tour around the crypto empire. But for now, let's just get to the list of the available commands. In this message Kleopatra holds all the basic commands that you can use with your basic account. I will tell you more about that in another presentation. This is all with creation of your basic account. Scan QR code now to join Kleopatra.